Forests cover 35% of Europe and are vital for both humans and the planet. Sustainable forest management is an essential approach used throughout Europe to ensure the vitality and durability of forests. It provides solutions for making forests more resilient and adapted to climate change, while contributing to mitigation through carbon sequestration, carbon storage, and substitution for fossil-based raw materials. Actively managed forests provide a home for biodiversity. Where needed, forest managers support species and habitats with additional protection and restoration measures. The role of forests in water and nutrient cycles, air purification, and soil protection is also supported. Sustainable forest management includes harvesting, not only to supply wood for houses, furniture, and many other products, but also to provide space and light to other growing trees, control pests and diseases, remove the risk of falling trees, and open up spaces for wildlife. Forest regeneration is secured by supporting natural regeneration and planting millions of seedlings each year. Forest managers ensure harvests never exceed the natural growth of forests. Over the last 30 years, the volume of wood in European forests has increased by 50%. Besides wood, actively managed forests boost the rural economy by offering a multitude of renewable products and respond to the demands of society by providing beautiful landscapes and recreational areas for millions of people to enjoy. Today's sustainable forest management will secure the potential of forests to fulfill their ecological, economic, social, and cultural functions for generations to come.